In this video, we'll walk through ARE 5.0's navigation tools and format, including beginning your exam, using on-screen tools while testing, marking and reviewing items, taking breaks, and ending the exam when you are finished. To become more familiar with each of these features, as well as the content on your division, please take the free divisional practice exams through your NCARB record before your exam appointment. Each exam appointment will begin with the ARE candidate agreement, which you must accept in order to test. Then you will see an introductory screen and a few final testing reminders. To begin your exam, click Next. If you don't click Next, your exam will begin automatically after 1 minute. You will start at the exam summary screen. At this point, all items are identified as unseen, which means you have not opened and viewed them. To open and view an item from the exam summary screen, click on the question number. While testing, you can highlight text on the screen to identify useful information in an item or case study reference material. You can also strike through text to eliminate information you find distracting. Using your on-screen calculator. Enter numbers into the calculator by typing on your keyboard or click. You can take notes using the electronic whiteboard available to you, whether you are testing at a physical test center or via online proctoring. You will not have access to physical scratch paper during your exam. If a specific structural reference or formula is needed to answer an item, it will be provided within the item. You can browse a list of potential structural references and formulas you may encounter in the ARE 5.0 guidelines. These will also be available in the Reference tab during the exam. While testing, you will have the ability to mark an item for review. If you encounter an item you'd like to answer later, or you want to check on your work, select the Mark for Review box at the bottom of your screen to flag the item. Be sure to return any flagged items before you take a break. To see the items you have flagged for review, click on the exam summary button in the lower right-hand corner. To review only the items you flagged, select Review Marks on the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a screen that displays any flagged or incomplete items and allows you to navigate directly to these items. You can also use the exam summary to navigate to case studies at any point during your exam. Based on your personal strategy or preference, an incomplete status indicates that you have seen the item but have not finished responding. Complete means that you have seen and fully responded to the item. Both complete and incomplete items will be locked when you have returned from a break. Unseen items are those you have yet to view, and only these can be viewed or edited following a break. Optional break time is offered during each exam appointment. This time can be used for a few short breaks or one long break. Begin a break at any time by clicking the break button in the upper right-hand corner. Once you confirm, your exam time will pause and a new clock will begin for your break period. When you have completed your break, click Return to the test and resume your exam. After returning from a break, you will not be allowed to go back to any items you have already viewed, regardless of whether you have answered them, flagged them for review, or left them incomplete. They will be locked. If you are testing via online proctoring, you will need to go through the check-in process again before you continue testing. When you reach the last item of your exam and click Next, you will progress to the exam summary screen. You can easily review any unlocked items you want, but you will still be unable to access any items seen prior to a break. Once satisfied, you can end your exam by clicking End Exam. You will be asked if you want to end your exam or return and continue testing. Once you confirm by clicking Yes, End Exam, and Submit, your test will be submitted for scoring. Before you finish, you will be reminded of the candidate agreement. You will also have the option to view provisional feedback of your exam performance. Whether or not you do, an official score report will be available in your NCARB record within a week of your test date. Comments? Questions? Let us know. Be sure to check out the ARE 5.0 community for expert advice and tips from fellow candidates. For more information about the content covered in each division and tips on navigating the exam interface, please watch our other ARE 5.0 test prep videos.